Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to get a girl. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Aim to look better. Women are drawn to strong, broad-shouldered guys out of instinct because they can defend her. Therefore, you can increase your attractiveness to the girl you want by only going to the gym, exercising, and watching what you eat. Keep in mind that you should have a distinguishing feature. Consequently, if your face doesn't appeal to you or you have some vertical challenges, a good physique will easily make up for it. Join a gym and work on your beautiful appearance. Alternately, follow a stringent fat-burning diet if the chilly winter months caused you to gain puppy fat. Think about changing your attire as well. Especially if you follow some low-level, inexperienced stylist's fashion advice. Remove any nerdy, get rid of the neon t-shirts and the buttoned-up shirts that are too tight. Put on clothing that gives you a sexy appearance. Slim-fitting jeans and open or V-neck t-shirts are terrific places to start. And for a sexier appearance, choose dark hues like grey and black. When your makeover is over, you'll naturally start to exude confidence, which is the next crucial component in making a female like you. 2. Interact with women. If you aren't meeting girls, it can be challenging to figure out how to acquire girls. This will be made much simpler if you put yourself out there to chat to girls and meet more of them. You wouldn't believe how many guys come to me and whine about not getting any girls. When I ask how frequently they meet and converse with girls, the response is insufficient. I'm not advocating running the day game by waiting around and telepathically approaching women, ignore that. Producer that you are. Your main priority is accumulating wealth. Entrepreneurs can't afford to spend their valuable daytime time. However, you go salsa dancing on the weekends, go out with pals to pubs and clubs, and have online dating profiles. You continuously meet and converse with new girls in this way. If you don't have any girls in your life, you can't learn how to obtain them. During the day, work on your business and keep success in mind. However, reward yourself by chatting with girls online and going out on the weekends at night. 3. Have assurance. Confidence is key, and women adore having self-confidence. It has great allure. But, just be confident, is easier said than done, don't you think? However, if all you do is take care of yourself and work out, you'll already be halfway there. Because once you embark on this journey of self-improvement and work on your appearance, you'll begin to radiate an abundance of confidence. Because you'll feel a lot better about yourself after you witness your glow-up makeover in the mirror. Be humble rather than boastful. Confidence, not cockiness, is what's important. Confront someone you find annoying. Don't be a pushover and allow people bully you. The best humor is self-deprecating humor. Demonstrate your confidence by making fun of yourself. Slow down when speaking to women and raise your voice. To avoid coming across as weak in social situations, concentrate on maintaining decent posture and opening up your body language. 4. Have an interesting hobby or passion. Nothing is more alluring than a man who is passionate. Regardless of the activity, sport, or pastime. Women appreciate a man who, outside of work, invests time and effort in a passion. And it demonstrates that you have a life of your own if you actively pursue an interest. You are responsible and have a schedule. Huge props if you do, though. My obsession for the past 5 years has been surfing. In the picture up top, that's me. When I first started using a surfboard, I had no idea how much female attention would accompany it. As soon as I started sharing surf photos, my Instagram practically exploded. You already know that surfing has a fairly steep learning curve if you've ever attempted it. Before you become proficient, you must practice in the water for hours on end. It's a struggle both within and out, fraught with grave danger. And to succeed at a respectable level, one must have unwavering resolve and tenacity. So you can see why surfing, to use the phrase, checks all the criteria for being a panty dropper. It embodies many desirable qualities that women want in a man. Almost each sport or pastime offers similar beautiful qualities that will make a girl like you, just like surfing does. Because if you dedicate considerable time and effort to pursuing anything, it demonstrates that you are a strong-minded person. And that's really appealing. Do you genuinely care about something, then? Make it known. You might enjoy hiking, playing the drums in a band, or going fishing on the weekends. Share it on Instagram and make sure this particular female you adore is aware of it, whatever it may be. 5. Playfully tease and flirt with her. It's time to introduce some flirtation into the conversation if you feel like it's going well and she's responding nicely to your corny jokes. In order to avoid being categorized into the dreaded friend zone, you should make your intentions clear from the outset of the relationship. Due to friendship with this girl, you don't want to act as her therapist and hear about all of her issues. You would much rather give her massages. If you understand what I mean. How do you entice a girl sexually? Start by slightly shattering her balls. As you would a younger sister, treat her, if you get my gist. Give her sly compliments, such as calling her a special kid for not being able to handle her alcohol, or say, "You look semi-decent today." The more you converse and joke around with her, start adding playful, mild touches. She'll understand that you have no intention of becoming her buddy in this way. 6. Keep your introduction brief and simple. Never overthink the opener and lose the chance to strike up a discussion, no matter what the circumstance. Be succinct and to the point. Any of the following are the top openers: hello, hey, excuse me, and hey, how are you doing, or hi, my name is, first name. Don't waste time attempting to come up with a clever catchphrase or pickup line to pique her interest. Keep in mind that you want to sound sincere. To make it seem natural, keep it basic. A situational opener is always a smart idea to include. Therefore, if the female you adore is a college student, you might start the conversation by asking, "Hey, how was class?" Alternatively, you may ask a female in a cafe, "Hey, is the coffee any good here?" Do not overthink it. The better the opener, the simpler it is. 7. Keep up the eye contact and pay her your undivided attention. For 3 reasons, maintaining eye contact is beneficial. It demonstrates your interest in and enjoyment of what she has to say. You'll develop a connection and participate more actively in the conversation. It conveys assurance and demonstrates your lack of shyness. If your gaze flits between the ground and other, she won't be impressed if you alternate between looking at the floor, at her, and another broad who is standing near the bar. It will stop the flow of the conversation in addition to making her think you are insecure. Maintaining eye contact will keep her interested and transfixed by your words. It accelerates seduction. Focus on opening your body language while keeping eye contact to show her that you are fully engaged. You may be wondering, how? So, try to be as logical as you can. Try to be rational, even though it's not always the best course of action when emotions are involved. You'll become mentally unwell if you overthink. You'll feel uneasy and uncomfortable. Instead, speak up when you have something to say. Simply take a deep breath and be yourself. When you overthink something, you begin to interpret things so precisely that you persuade yourself that it means something that it doesn't, and vice versa. Instead of letting your anxiousness lead you,